So let's indicate how each of the following will shift the marginal cost curve, the average variable cost curve, the average fixed cost curve, the average total cost curve of a manufacturing firm, and in each case specify the direction of the shift. So the first one is a reduction in business property taxes. So reduction in property business taxes is a fixed cost. So we change the average fixed cost and the average total cost. So for the marginal cost, there'll be a shift up. Okay, first of all, an increase in a reduction